the front right disc brake sticking, so it's hard to turn it, and you have to use a screwdriver to turn it. So it's sticking. I already tried to clean the pin and put them back dry, but still if you press the brake pedal several times and stick again. So the caliper must be reassembled, rebuilt to solve the piston sticker problem. So this is a front left disc brake, so it seems not sticking. But what I noticed here is that outside the car has not been driven very often. There's some rust. At least there's no dry rust on this side. But if you look at the other side, so you can see there are dry rust on the surface. So here, so you have the dry rust. Also it's easy to turn, but you can see the rust is rather dry. So this seems to be the problem. See the red rust, so over there seems to be the problem of the guide pin sticking, the caliper not sticking. You press the brake pedal several times, then it's always easy to turn. So I will do the guide pin for this side. Another possibility is the pad stuck to the bracket, and they need to be cleaned and lubricated with copper grease on the pad and contact the bracket. So we need to do that as well.